Hi, I'm Ryan Dawes, editor of Telecoms, and I'm here with Amy, who's going to give me a bit of a demo of this Skyship. So if you want to take away.
Sure. Okay, so this is the main item of KT, Korea Telecom.
Yep.
So it's called the 5G Skyship. It uses 5G. It has drone technology and it's unmanned, which means that nobody is controlling inside the Skyship. It has a base station where everything is controlled. And through 5G, all the information that the camera gives is sent to the base station.
Okay.
So basically it's used for safety and security purposes. For instance, it cooperates with the Coast Guards, also for fires in forests, for instance, or other issues. For instance, it has been used in the Pyeongchang Olympic Games for detention of suspects, or for if people get lost or whatever, or also in festivals. So what we have done here is to create a live demo that connects the Skyship in Busan, where it's right now in Korea, to Barcelona. So 3 times a day, we will be able to see in the screen over here, Busan during the night or during the day, thanks to the camera that is connected to this object here, and we are able to control the camera in Korea.
Oh, so that's brilliant.
So, yeah.
So this is a real drone that's going around, not a simulated
It's not
one.
exactly. It's real. Yeah, it's functioning right now in Korea. It's 10 meters long. It can fly 200 kilometers during 6 hours, more or less, which makes it more efficient than a drone. But it's quite bigger too. So
yeah, that's incredible to be able to do that from Barcelona.
Exactly.
And be able to control a drone inside.
So
Korea.
the information that we use moving the joystick is sent then back to Korea too, through an international line.
Okay. So this just wouldn't have been possible with previous generation networks, I take it?
Exactly. Well, the idea is that without 5G, this wouldn't be possible in Korea right now. It is true that the connection to Barcelona is done through an international line, not only 5G, because it would be impossible right now. But yeah, in Korea, it's functioning with 5G. Yeah,
okay,
absolutely.
Brilliant. So I take it this would be good for training purposes as well. I know that recently we had a bit of an issue at Gatwick Airport with a drone that incurred on one of our airfields. So clearly someone needs a bit more training.
Totally, yeah. And the good thing is that if a drone breaks down, it just crashes on the ground. And the good thing of the helium-based Skyship is that it just can land very softly.